Hey, if you are going to enjoy the sunshine or any sort of outdoor activity, I guess do it today.
Yes, do it today. I mean, prepping your homes, prepping your cars, looking for more long sleeves. I don't know where all of mine went. I need to do those things today, that's for sure. Because tomorrow, I mean, it changes drastically and it happens in the morning pretty quick. So let's go ahead and show you the progression of the next 3 days. So today, it's going to be on the cool side. You're going to see some sunshine today, so soak it in while you can. 51 degrees. Tomorrow's when we see that big change. Tonight, the temperature drops to about 43 degrees. Tomorrow morning, we may make it to about 44 before that temperature starts to drop. But then Friday morning, coldest temperature on the 10-day of about 11 degrees at DFW. But some locations could very well make it into the single digits. 25 Friday. That means we do not make it above freezing on Friday. That is why we also have a wind chill watch. Those wind chills will be significantly low as 15 degrees below zero in some spots. This will mostly be closer towards areas of the big country into the panhandle, but across North Texas, I think a lot of us could make it to -5, -10 degrees with that wind chill, and that'll be in place from Thursday morning through the morning on Friday. This is how the temperatures shape up. Thursday morning, we start out at about 44 degrees. We drop to about 23 degrees around 12, and we stay consistent in the mid to low 20s. Through the afternoon, those are your wind chills there, single digits, and then overnight, Thursday into Friday morning, those temperatures continue to drop since the sunshine will be gone, and we'll see that wind chill drop to below zero for most of North Texas. That's why that watch is in place. Here's what it'll look like on satellite and radar. This is Thursday, 7 in the morning. It starts to make its way through North Texas. We'll see that front making its way across the Metroplex sometime between 7 to 9 in the morning. You'll notice it because the winds are going to pick up significantly and may even wake you up. Look at this precip. We're not going to see very much in the way of rain at all. If we see it, it could come in the form of frozen precipitation, so maybe some sleet across portions of the Red River, but that's really about it. If you happen to see a flurry, you'll be one of the very few that does. We're expected to be very dry when this is going through, and we'll see a better rain potential across far east Texas. So again, the Metroplex staying dry this time around. Look at how the temperatures act when that front's coming in. So I'm showing you the same thing, but now with just the temperatures. This is Thursday, 7 in the morning. Again, that's making its way in behind the front in the 20s. Look at ahead of the front. Temperatures in the 40s. We stay in the 40s until about 7, 8 in the morning. Temperatures then drop quickly. This is now around 9 in the morning. I'm going to take you through the rest of the morning here. This is now noon. Temperatures in the mid-20s, a few locations already in the teens, even lower than that. So this will be a drastic change in a small period of time for North Texas. Those temperatures, they continue to drop at least through Friday morning. Again, Friday morning is when those temperatures get close to the single digits in a lot of locations. And if it doesn't make it into the single digits, it's going to be feeling like it. Whenever those winds pick up, we could see some wind chills that are 5, 6, 7 degrees below zero, some locations even lower than that. So again, a lot of change here in a small period of time for Thursday morning through Friday. Here's how the rest of the week into the weekend plays out though. So that front comes in, right? We're going to see that temperature drop through the day Thursday. Once it drops to below freezing, we stay with freezing temperatures through the day Friday. Through most of Saturday, we may briefly make it to 32 degrees, but then we drop right back down until Sunday afternoon when our temperature does make it to the mid-40s. This will be a very cold Christmas, 45 degrees. Compare that to last year when we had the warmest Christmas on record. Definitely a big difference. Here's that pocket of cold air that's moving south. Cold air, very, very cold air moving south. We're already seeing negatives with actual temperatures across the Dakotas and into Montana. Montana this morning, by the way, the northwestern portion recorded -70-degree wind chill overnight. That's how cold that air that is moving south is. We're not going to quite see those same impacts. And in true Texas fashion, we go from a couple of days with freezing temps right back to the 50s and 60s next week. Sonia.